back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Now, I normally don't share jobs that are under 3 stars, but this one is right on the line at 2.9, so I thought that I would share and let you read the reviews and make your own decision there, because I did see in the comments the other day somebody only has a phone and was looking for work from home jobs that they can do from your phone. Now, one thing to note about phones is that they don't have the computing power to do a lot of the tasks that these companies are needing done. Therefore, that's why a lot of work from home jobs need and require computers. So the best thing for you would be a job that is going to provide that computer for you. And so that is what I have for you today. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. The company, though, is Cipher Health. They have 100 reviews on Glassdoor from people who've worked from them currently or in the past, with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 2.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer support specialist. Now, this is going to be full-time remote for the United States. They are paying very high, though. They're providing a stipend that'll help cover your internet. We are going to get all into it, but they are a healthcare company just looking for somebody to basically solve end user support tickets, directly assisting those nurses and doctors out in the field using the Cipher Health solutions. So you're going to address customer queries accurately and effectively, leveraging your subject matter expert with the Cipher Health solutions software platform, all of that thing. You'll facilitate the customer communication, prioritizing assignments to meet those urgent deadlines, preparing any procedure for an easily digestible format for the team reference, and you'll configure or offer solutions for the platform for different customer use cases. So just that all around customer support. You don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who is a problem solver, has great attention to detail. You have a understanding of content management and customer relationship management systems, someone who is enthusiastic and can do that critical thinking. If that sounds like you, though, base salary for this position is anywhere from $65,000 a year all the way up to $75,000 a year. They do offer a standard benefit package that includes your 401k, health insurance, all of that. But down here at the bottom, they say that they will provide you with a MacBook laptop and any other hardware and company swag upon hire. So they're giving you all the equipment you need to do the job. So if you don't have any equipment, this is great for you. They also are giving you $50 a month extra on top of your salary for reimbursement for your work from home expenses. So this $50 could be used to pay your internet bill. So if you don't have internet, you could get it and they're going to pay your internet bill and give you the computer equipment you need. So completely ready to go. All you need to do is have those customer service skills. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for or any suggestions that you have, that ways that I can make these job leads more helpful to you. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.